Hey everyone, I just want to do a quick review on these NGK Iridium 9 spark plugs, which is a step up from copper spark plugs because they are have a longer longevity. They're known for their durability and performance, and I gotta say they do live up to the hype. One thing I would say about these is I could not find an Amazon Prime version of these on Amazon, so the delivery was about 4 to 5 days, which is worth it because I did check an auto parts store and it was about $50 cheaper to get them on Amazon. So if you're not in a rush, it's worth the wait. First off, the build quality is excellent. NGK uses a fine wire iridium tip, which is designed to last longer and provide more efficient spark compared to standard spark plugs. You can really feel that these are high quality right out of the box. It also comes with a cardboard protector to ensure that the gap does not change during shipping.
Go ahead.
Okay, here's my old spark plug. It's pretty warm, pretty bad. Copper. This is my 16th out of 14th out of 16 spark plugs. And they just go in so smooth. No cross threading. They're pre-gapped at 0.044 inches from the manufacturer, which is the exact spec for this vehicle. Of course, you want to gap check them yourself, and I did. I gap checked all of them, and they're all exactly 0.044. So good manufacturing. And these Iridium 9s will last around 60,000 miles compared to the one I just took out. That copper one lasts about 30,000. So these are going to be much more durable and better performance, better gas mileage.